2 of how to charge and maintain your motorcycle battery when you're not riding. I got this battery tender and I also removed the battery from my bike. If you don't know how to do this, I left a quick video tutorial in the description. For now, I am going to open this baby up and show you how to do this from home. All you need is an outlet. Again, this is the battery tender that I got, the battery tender Junior 800, and this one works with lead acid batteries and lithium. Again, mine is not lithium, but if you do not get this one, you should make sure that the battery tender that you do get is the right one for your battery. Okay, so let's proceed. The box comes with alligator clips that we won't be using today, so I'm not gonna mess with them, and ring terminals. We will be using this. So I'm gonna get this set up and I'll be back. I'm actually going to show you how to connect the ring terminal leads to your battery. Again, this is the negative, this is the positive, negative side, positive side. You're gonna need the 2 screws that we removed the other day and a screwdriver. So let's do this. I'm gonna do it this way. Okay, put that in there. Screwdriver. Gonna hold that up. Okay, now let's do the other side. Positive. Ta-da! Both connected, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so once we attach the ring terminals to the battery, we are going to grab our charger and connect it to the wall so we can select the mode that we want the battery tender to be in. Connected. You see all 3 lights come on. Okay, lead, lithium. Again, you can use the bottom in the middle to change it to lithium, but I don't have a lithium battery, so I'm gonna leave it in lead. Going back to the battery, we are going to remove the cover of this one and remove the cover of the charger, and then we're just gonna connect the 2. That's it. And as you can see, the light over there turned yellow, and that means that it's charging the battery. And once the battery is fully charged, that light is going to, let me focus it, that light is going to turn solid green. And after that happens, the battery tender will automatically switch to float mode, which means that it will maintain the battery at a proper voltage during the storage period. That's it. And once you are done, this will turn green again, and you can safely disconnect this too and take your battery back to the bike. There you have it. Some tips before I let you go is that you should keep the battery as far away as you can from the battery tender. You have around 12 feet of cord here, so use it. And another thing is that you should leave the battery on non-conductive surfaces like wood, plastic, or concrete. So one more thing, it is okay to leave the battery connected for weeks if you want. Why? Because the battery tender will always send the right amount of voltage back to the battery and it won't damage it. So you should be fine. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try my best. Thanks for watching.